How to do seated chin tucks plus shoulder blade squeeze correctly. Step by step. 1. Sit tall in a chair with feet flat on the floor, spine neutral. Let your arms rest gently by your sides, or place your hands on your thighs. 2. Chin tuck. Gently draw your chin straight back, like making a double chin. Keep your eyes looking forward, not up or down. Avoid tilting your head. It's a straight back glide, not a nod. 3. Shoulder blade squeeze. At the same time, pull your shoulder blades down and back, like you're trying to tuck them into your back pockets. Don't shrug your shoulders upward. 4. Hold. Maintain the chin tuck and shoulder blade squeeze together for 3 to 5 seconds. Breathe steadily. 5. Release. Relax your shoulders and return your head to neutral. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions. Complete 2 to 3 sets. Rest briefly between sets. Thanks for watching. Please check my next video.